Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here. This is my self-care shower routine, and as you can tell, my voice is sore, but it doesn't stop the grind. Still gonna be doing this voiceover for you guys. So I'm gonna start by taking some feminine hygiene supplements. Happy Hoo Ha by Ali that I've been taking for a few months now, and I really like it. It has probiotics and it helps balance your pH, and you just take one pill a day. I'm gonna be taking the Azo urinary tract health. You don't need to take it like if you have a urinary tract infection. It just helps to have a healthy urinary tract. It's like one serving of cranberry juice but in a pill, and I'm going to be taking it with some chlorophyll drops, and this is another natural deodorizer, really good for cleaning out your system. It's 15 drops in water or a liquid, about 8 ounces. So I'm actually going to be taking some emergency because I'm not feeling well, so I'm just going to take this in the 8 ounce of water, mix it with the drops, and actually was pretty good. It didn't like taste bad or anything like that. It was easy to go down, and I just mix it well. So this helps me feel really good and keep me balanced. And then because my throat is sore, I'm going to be taking some lozenges, some cough drops, right? For my sore throat. I can't talk. So Bae surprised me with these flowers and eucalyptus stems, so I'm really excited for those. They made me feel really good inside, so I'm going to be putting the eucalyptus in the bathroom today for my shower. So I'm going to be using the Yoni steam that I shared in my Amazon favorites for hygiene video, and I'm going to be actually using these new female ritual steam therapy herbs. Before I was using the one that comes with the kit, and I didn't feel like that one was as strong. You're going to see this one is strong. Some of you guys were asking me about the Yoni steam. If you want to start out Yoni steaming, I would suggest to use the kit if you don't really know how to approach it, because it comes with this basin. Get separate herbs, or you can make herbs, or you could just use a regular basin. Okay, fill up the basin with the herbs. About 1/4 of the bag is good enough, but you could use how much ever you want. And then you're gonna put hot water, like I steamed the water in the kettle, and you're gonna put it in there to fill it and let it kind of like steep like tea. And you're going to let it cool down enough for where you could sit down on it and not burn yourself. So please use caution. If you sit down and it's too hot and it's unbearable, make it cool down some more. You could use like a towel, or you can buy like those dresses, I forget what it's called, to trap in the steam as you sit down. You could sit down over it for about 10 to 20 minutes. I suggest like getting your phone and, I watch TikTok videos, or you talk to somebody, or you could read a book. Just do things just so that the time could pass. And you may pee. Okay, I don't want to be like TMI, but this is a TMI video. Okay, your muscles will relax. I literally the next day had some discharge. Okay, TMI right here. Some discharge that was like a brownish, like a dark brown, and it smelled really good, like sweet. Because the herbs smell sweet, it did detox me as well. My stomach was hurting a little bit because I guess your body is contracting a little bit to push out the impurities. I felt so good, like down there felt different and good in a good way. Do your own research. If you want to talk to your healthcare provider, do that. It's great to use like right before your period, because you don't want to use it during your period. I don't suggest to use it during your period because it will make you bleed very heavy. Your period is already detoxing you naturally, so do not use it during your period. So now it's time for my shower. I did add some more eucalyptus to the faux ones that I had. It opens up my nasal passage, like it just feels so good. So I'm just gonna get in there and make my body all nice and wet. I like to run my body under the water before I do anything because it just relaxes my body, loosens up the muscles. And I'm going to go in first with Dove bar soap. I love to use Dove, the regular original one, and just lather up with a washcloth all over my body. I definitely do double cleanse. I'm going to use my other cleanser after. I'm just going to wash my entire body. Yes, everywhere except for my vajayjay. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off, and then I'm going to cleanse my face. I'm going to be using La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I really like to use this one. It's soap-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, and it has thermal water in it, and it just works well for me. I use a lot of different cleansers, but I like to clean my face in the shower. And then I'm gonna go ahead and exfoliate my body using this little exfoliating sponge with the handle paired with my Dove Body Love Acne Clear. I'm using it on my problem areas, my arms. I have like a hormonal rash here that I've shared with many of you guys that I developed after having my daughter. It helps to clear up my skin. It has salicylic acid in it and bamboo extract. I just kind of like exfoliate my body everywhere, my boots, anywhere I can reach. I am exfoliating, and I'm definitely going to focus under my arms to prepare for shaving. So I'm going to be using this flamingo razor that comes with the little holder. I'm going to be using this regular shaving cream. I picked this one up from Target, and I'm going to be shaving in a downward motion and then an upward motion to really get in there. I've been dealing with underarm like darkness, so I've been working on getting rid of that. So y'all see soon. After I shave under my arms, I'm going to be shaving my legs, which is something I like to do like every week and a week and a half because the hairs on my legs don't really grow back that fast. So I'm going to be shaving my leg, and my hoo-ha I shave or get waxed, but I shave it with a little machine. I don't use the razor, and I don't need to do that today. So after shaving my legs, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off, and then I'm going to jump again with my Dove Body Love Hyper Reactive Skin Balance Body Cleanser that has no scent. It's new, and I've been using it for a while, and I love it. Like, it could drip all over your body, and it won't do a thing because it has no scent. But I really, really love it. It suds up so nicely. On those days when I want to feel really relaxed, I use the Shea Moisture Pink Himalayan Salt Relaxing Body Wash with clary sage and neroli oil. This is their self-care line that they have, and it actually really does make me feel nice and relaxed. And I love the way the neroli oil smells in it, and I could definitely smell the sage. It's almost done. Like, that's how much I really like it. So after cleansing my body for the third time, I'm going to be following up lastly with a feminine wash. So I love to bounce between these two Vagisil feminine wash. So the pH balance one, I use more so on a daily basis. And then I also like to use the healthy detox when I feel like a little different down there, sometimes after my period or whatever. So it washes away harmful bacteria, has tea tree oil, eucalyptus, neem, and rosemary. It has no added fragrance to it, and you could also use it all over your body. So you could use it on your boots and all of that. So that's the one I'm doing. That I'm losing my voice, y'all. I'm talking too much. I'd like to do that last. Other stuff could drip down in there, and then that's not good. After I finish up my shower, I do my full skincare routine, but I'm not going to be doing that in this video. I'm going to save that for a separate video where I share my anti-aging clear skin skincare routine, so look out for that. To moisturize my skin, I'm going to be using the Relaxing Body Cream, also by Shea Moisture, to match the body wash that I used to relax my body. And I really like the way this smells as well. A little does go a long way. It is a cream, so it's nice and thick, but it's not heavy on the body. And then for deodorant, I'm going to be using the Loom Whole Body Deodorant in Toasted Coconut. It smells really good, and it's aluminum free, and you could use it all over your body, and your booty crack, under your arms, under your boobs, anywhere that sweats profusely. They also have a lot of different scents. I also have peony rose, and I kind of alternate between the two, and I really like it so far. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish off with a fragrance. Yes, sometimes I do use my more expensive luxury fragrance to bed. I don't use a lot. I just like to smell it under my nose. It just makes me feel really good inside while I'm relaxing. And I'm just going to lay down and watch some YouTube videos and just call it a night. So if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up if you want to see more. Thank you for sitting through my voiceover with my throat being sore. You know, I'll get better soon. Go ahead and thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.